Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 30 of season 5. This is our last episode of the Grow with Technology podcast for this season. We're bringing this season to a close, and we have some interesting information for you today. This segment is not going to be too long, but we're going to give you some information that we feel will be very helpful for those of you out there who are entrepreneurs, startup founders, small business owners, and business owners in general. What we focus on this podcast, especially for this season 5, has been artificial intelligence, AI, along with business technology. We've been bringing you information that we feel you can use in your business and everything that you do to market yourself online and offline using tools that are created with artificial intelligence and machine learning and all sorts of goodies that we feel can be helpful for you as you grow with technology. Grow with technology has been the theme that I started, I'll say, back in 2012, somewhere around there. I started looking at it very seriously at that time, what it could do to help you with your business. I sort of had an epiphany at that time, looking at what it takes to grow a business these days and looking at a website and what that website can do if you market it properly online. Do the right type of optimization, and the search engines will see you using the right keywords. Combining that with optimization and then letting everybody know that that content is available on your website can help to bring you traffic. And I've known this for a while, but it didn't start coming together for me until about 2012. And then in 2016, I set out with a goal to basically create a series of web articles that I would use to rank my website. As I was doing that, using a combination of keyword research, creating the articles around those keywords, and then using search engine optimization as we had it at the time with some automated tools to help me create that content, I started to get some business off of it. And that's where the business name My Tech Manager for my company was born. It was out of that because I started getting not a particular company, but just a lot of different companies coming to me, trying to help them integrate technology into what they were doing. And out of that came Grow with Technology, which has always been a concept of mine. When I started learning about artificial intelligence and what it could do, it really took off from there. And so, as I've started to focus Grow with Technology on what I write and what I post on YouTube and on other social media platforms, I started to focus and hone in on how can artificial intelligence help you. And so today, in our main segment, I have some information that I want to share with you about being enterprise ready. And so you'll hear in this first segment where I put together some content for you. It's about a little under 4 minutes long, but I think it will just give you some ideas. There are some really big Fortune 500 companies that are getting into the space, and they're getting into the space in a big way where they're creating tools that will now allow smaller enterprises and smaller companies to now take advantage of it and really grow. So one of the things you're going to hear a lot about is generative AI and how that can help with customer service, technical support, and so forth. We're in the beginning stages of the onslaught of artificial intelligence when it's being combined with processes and the ways we do business, the workflows, even the software. You're starting to see where artificial intelligence can help you. So as a result of that, I'm starting to focus some of the tools that I'm creating on artificial intelligence, and you're going to hear that in the second segment of this podcast today, where we're going to talk about a tool that my company, My Tech Manager, has created called Seeing.io. And Seeing is spelled C-E-A-I-N-G. Instead of seeing like with an S, it's with a C as in Charlie. So Seeing.io is an AI-powered tool that we created for businesses that are interested in creating business content. And that could be written content, visual content, audio content, scripts for audio content, and marketing your business. It's focused down for the small and medium-sized businesses who cannot afford some of the tools that we see out here that you can use. But we'll show you how to use our tool, and you're going to hear a little bit about that. It's a short segment. It's about under 3 minutes long, but you're going to hear about that in this podcast. So I'm not going to take up too much more time, but as always, continue to listen to Grow with Technology podcast and visit our website at growwithtechnology.com. Also, visit our YouTube channel, which has just gone over 3,000 subscribers, and I feel very good about that. Working very hard to continue to put content out there that I think will be helpful. And you can find not only long-form video, but also short videos that we have available for you on the channel. And starting in about 2 weeks, I'll start doing 1 live, I'll say a month. I may get to 2, but it's very time-consuming right now. But I'm going to try my best to do at least once a month a live stream. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, tell your friends about it, and continue to listen to Grow with Technology as we jump into this first segment, followed by the second segment where we're going to do a product review for Seeing.io, which is our AI tool that we've created for small and medium-sized companies. Hope you enjoy this episode, and I'll be back to close the show out. Thank you. But what does it really take to harness this power? Let us break it down. First up, the Gen AI governance framework developed with input from over 1,000 business leaders and academics. This framework offers a roadmap for companies to assess their AI readiness. It focuses on 5 key areas to help businesses harness AI responsibly. By addressing data privacy, security, and ethical considerations, companies can build trust and transparency in their AI initiatives. It is about being initiative-taking and understanding, but that is not all. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise and NVIDIA have teamed up to make AI adoption easier for businesses of all sizes. Their collaboration, called NVIDIA AI Computing by HPE, combines HPE's cloud expertise with NVIDIA's AI computing power. The result? A solution designed for energy-efficient, flexible, and secure AI development and deployment. Imagine having all the tools and resources you need to build and deploy AI applications effectively. This partnership also includes a comprehensive AI infrastructure stack and a curated AI software platform. And with support from global system integrators like Deloitte and Infosys, businesses are well equipped to integrate AI into their operations. But here's the kicker. Getting your IT infrastructure ready is crucial. Gartner, a leading research and advisory company, emphasizes this point. They stress the importance of a robust IT infrastructure for successful AI adoption. To access their insights, users need to complete a validation process. This process ensures a secure connection and verifies the user's identity, highlighting the importance of security in the digital age. The process might involve a few simple steps like enabling JavaScript and cookies. It is designed to protect user privacy and ensure the integrity of Gartner's platform. By implementing these security measures, Gartner provides a safe and trustworthy environment for users to access valuable information. So what is the takeaway here? Embracing AI is not just about having the right technology. It is about having a strategic approach encompassing technological infrastructure, data management, and a culture of innovation. In conclusion, the future belongs to enterprises that embrace AI as a strategic imperative. By leveraging AI-powered insights, businesses can optimize operations, personalize customer experiences, and develop innovative products and services. The ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns allows businesses to anticipate trends and make informed decisions. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on the business world will only become more profound. Organizations that invest in AI readiness today will be well positioned to thrive in the intelligent enterprise of tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, check out the Grow with Technology YouTube channel for more insights on the future of business and technology. And be sure to check out the description below for free resources to help you on your AI journey. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve. I was blown away by the capabilities of Tang.io. As a busy entrepreneur, I don't have the time or resources to devote to creating high-quality content from scratch. That's why I was thrilled to discover Tang.io, which promises to revolutionize content creation with its one-click solutions. And let me tell you, it delivers. With Tang.io, I can create stunning content in just a few clicks. The platform offers a range of customization options so I can tailor my content to fit my brand's unique voice and style. The best part? The content is not only effortless to create but also truly extraordinary. I've been able to engage my audience in ways I never thought possible. The user interface is incredibly intuitive, making it easy to navigate even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The output is consistently professional and high quality, and I've been able to save a significant amount of time and resources by using Tang.io. If you're struggling to create content that resonates with your audience, I highly recommend giving Tang.io a try. It's a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their content creation and take their brand to the next level. And there you have it, folks. That was Grow with Technology Podcast episode 30 of Season 5. And this concludes our Season 5. We're going to come back to you in Season 6. We have some interesting information for you. We're going to be adding some live interviews that we're going to start conducting. We're going to take a short break, but we will continue to put content on our YouTube channel and on social media for you. So if you have any questions for us, please feel free to jump in and let us hear from you. So what you heard today is some information, just giving you some info on AI-ready enterprise. And basically that's just AI-ready business. And so today, by incorporating AI into your business, you can really make some good things happen for your company, especially around growing your revenue streams for your business. And also, using AI properly, you can do a lot of research that normally would take you an exorbitant amount of time to get done. So something that used to take you 3 to 5 hours to get done, If you just post the right questions or the right prompt into an AI tool, it can definitely give you back some information that will be amazing. With it normally taking you 3 to 5 hours to get done, you can have it done in a matter of seconds. And you can use that information to create action plans and working models that you can simulate what you need to do in your business. And you can also help it to use artificial intelligence to help you refine that and create something that will come up that will be unique for your particular business. At the same time, you also heard a product review, which we're going to start incorporating in Season 6 more and more, about a product that my company, my tech manager, has created, and that is called Seeing.io. And we'll be introducing that product very soon onto the marketplace. And you'll start to get access to that product. It is a paid application, and we will be offering that to the general public. Continue to listen to Grow with Technology podcasts. You can find us on all podcast platforms. Wherever you listen to podcasts, you should be able to find us. Let me highlight a few of where we are. We're definitely on Spotify. We are also on Apple Music, Amazon Music, iHeartRadio, to name a few. Continue to look at our website, growwithtechnology.com. Click on the resource link and you'll be able to find information there. While we take a little bit of a hiatus, I will be posting some blogs and continue to provide you with some useful information. As we gear up for Season 6, we're going to definitely be bringing you information that we think will be helpful and that you can use in your business to grow your business using technology. And as always, all the entrepreneurs out there, startup founders, small business owners, keep your head up, continue to innovate, continue to grow. Send us your questions. Let us know what topics you want to hear on this podcast, and we'll be happy to help you. Until next season, and we'll be bringing you episode 1 of Season 6 very shortly. Keep in touch. You can reach me on all the different social media platforms, and feel free to just say hi or send me your questions, and me and my team will do our very best to get them answered for you. Enjoy. What does it really take to harness this power? Let us break it down. First up, the Gen AI governance framework developed with input from over 1,000 business leaders and academics. This framework offers a roadmap for companies to assess their AI readiness. It focuses on 5 key areas to help businesses harness AI responsibly. By addressing data privacy, security, and ethical considerations, companies can build trust and transparency in their AI initiatives. It is about being initiative-taking and understanding. But that is not all. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise and NVIDIA have teamed up to make AI adoption easier for businesses of all sizes. Their collaboration, called NVIDIA AI Computing by HPE, combines HPE's cloud expertise with NVIDIA's AI computing power. The result? A solution designed for energy-efficient, flexible, and secure AI development and deployment. Imagine having all the tools and resources you need to build and deploy AI applications effectively. This partnership also includes a comprehensive AI infrastructure stack and a curated AI software platform. And with support from global system integrators like Deloitte and Infosys, businesses are well equipped to integrate AI into their operations. But here is the kicker: getting your IT infrastructure ready is crucial. Gartner, a leading research and advisory company, emphasizes this point. They stress the importance of a robust IT infrastructure for successful AI adoption. To access their insights, users need to complete a validation process. This process ensures a secure connection and verifies the user's identity, highlighting the importance of security in the digital age. The process might involve a few simple steps like enabling JavaScript and cookies. It is designed to protect user privacy and ensure the integrity of Gartner's platform. By implementing these security measures, Gartner provides a safe and trustworthy environment for users to access valuable information. So, what is the takeaway here? Embracing AI is not just about having the right technology. It is about having a strategic approach encompassing technological infrastructure, data management, and a culture of innovation. In conclusion, the future belongs to enterprises that embrace AI as a strategic imperative. By leveraging AI-powered insights, businesses can optimize operations, personalize customer experiences, and develop innovative products and services. The ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns allows businesses to anticipate trends and make informed decisions. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on the business world will only become more profound. Organizations that invest in AI readiness today will be well positioned to thrive in the intelligent enterprise of tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, check out the Grow with Technology YouTube channel for more insights on the future of business and technology. And be sure to check out the description below for free resources to help you on your AI journey. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve. Generative AI is, transforming the business landscape in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. It's not just about automating tasks anymore. It's about creating new possibilities. From generating creative content to designing new products, businesses are leveraging generative AI to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. It's pretty amazing to see how this technology is being integrated across different industries. Let me introduce you to King.io, a groundbreaking platform that's harnessing the power of AI to revolutionize business processes. Seeing.io offers tools that, make it easier for companies to implement AI solutions tailored to their specific needs. Whether it's optimizing supply chains, enhancing customer experiences, or driving data-driven decisions, Seeing.io is at the forefront of this exciting transformation. So, as we wrap up, it's clear that AI is not just a trend, it's here to stay. The advancements we've seen are just the beginning. Looking ahead, the future of AI in business holds, endless possibilities. Companies that embrace this technology today will be the leaders of tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of AI and business technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Grow with Technology YouTube channel for more updates and episodes.